Hi, today I would like to show you a very interesting trade in the American software company Synopsys Incorporated. I took a trade here, I think it was yesterday, yes, correct. And I can see today at this very moment that we have a very strong daily bearish pin bar here with a wick on the upside. Let me enhance the chart. You can see the wick here, and we can see the price is heading down, and it's also engulfs those two earlier 2 days, these two candlestick bars. So this is very bearish, and let us have a look on the 4-hour time frame here. Still looking bearish. The reason why I went in already at this level, at 386.90, is because I have seen this mother bar here. I will take away this box so that you're able to see. So, first of all, you can see that we have a gap down here, which is a bearish sign, where sellers stepping in very fast. The buyers have no chance to buy. So the sellers are in total control here. And secondly, we see that this 4-hour chart bar is also bearish with a wick on the on the upside, and also closes in red. There we have a second bar, also negative, with a wick on the upside, closes red. Then it's price heading down. And here we have a mother bar, an inside bar strategy that is very effective when it comes to trading. So let me do this. You should always do this when you see mother bars, inside bars strategy trading. Why this technique is so powerful and important when it comes to trading with all assets is because it reveals and show you the momentum and where the demand and supply is. And as you know, that big moves, especially on forex market, but also in the stock market, it comes after consolidation, when nothing happens for a while. And this inside bar strategy tells you that we have a equal struggle between buyers and sellers. These two inside bars tells you that, which is inside this mother bar. So if you follow this mother bar, then you know that you have a consolidation phase, and when price wants to leave this consolidation phase, you have a bigger move. It's like a catch-up effect. And the third factor here that tells me that this was a bearish one is that we have this third candlestick bars closes below this mother bar here, this area, which means that you have a trade set up, short selling in the Synopsys Incorporated stock. And at this case, it's also very common in assets that we have false movements in order to stop hunting big institutions like BlackRock and so forth. They want to get more liquidity when they do their trades. They have a lot of money to trade with. And this is the trace, the footprint of that action from big institutions, that you have a bar here, then the price jumps up fast. So everyone, retail traders and so on, who are trading and see this, they're going short. Maybe they have their stop losses here, and big institutions they know exactly where amateurs put their stop losses. So this is a stop lossing hunt. So here in this area, most of traders are gone. Their stop losses is gone and they have lost the trade. So in this area, big institutions, they get liquidity because your losses on this trade, when your stop losses works in here, big institutions get liquidity from that. And that's why the price moves down in very fast pace. So as a trader, as a retail trader, amateur, it's very important that you understand these footprints from these big elephants, the big institutions with billions of dollars on trades. So, so don't be a victim here. I will actually have another video soon specifically telling you and show you how the big institutions globally hunting for liquidity, which means they want to take your stop losses out. So I will soon have a video where you don't have to get stopped out so often that you most likely happens today with your tradings. Most traders can never understand this. They just give up. They perhaps blew their trading account and they think that trading is impossible. But if you learn the tricks, if you can recognize and see what these big institution, banks and hedge fund managers, BlackRock, so forth are doing, you can actually make this as an advantage for you. Instead for being a victim, you can make a lot of money. And I have studied algorithmics and algo robots, and especially how big institutions working. Lots of my trade entries is based on that I just waiting for a trick. I'm waiting for the big institutions to make the trades. I'm not that interested to follow what the common retail trader is doing or not, because they cannot do any change for the price. Trend reversals and strong moves is always upon the always due to the fact that the big institutions are playing in the market, and this bar is this footprint. So use it for your knowledge. So no more talking about that. As I said, I will come back with a video about stop hunting and how you can trace these footprints so you never be a victim again. So I'm thinking about if I shall take my profits now. Well, we see here, this is the former resistance level. And former resistance level is today's support demand level. And I think you see here, the price is here right now and touches this former resistance level. So I think buyers can start to step in now a little bit and take this price up here and then down again to this moving average. Moving averages I'm using now is EMA 21, EMA 50, EMA 100. I'm very happy with that settings. I think EMA exponential moving average is much better than the simple moving average, because EMA moving averages moving much faster with the price, as you can see here. So it's easier for you to follow trends and so on. And here you can also see that this bearish 4-hour time frame short bar here closes below the trend line. You see, it's never happened before here. It do here. So this is a big one. Big institutions are selling. So now I know that I will have a trade down here or here. This is much money. So far I got, what can it be? $750 in profit here. $750. So that's good for 8 hours work. I've been out and enjoyed a company with my family. So this is just working by itself. So this is a good gain and good return. Okay, I will not talk much more now, and I hope you liked my video, and I will soon be back with a video showing you how to follow the big elephants on the market and never be a victim again for stop hunting. Thank you for now and take care. Bye.